Whoa, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute since I've uploaded here on my main channel. This feels so weird, but I'm so excited. You have no idea. It's no surprise. Ever since I got my full-time job with Love and Faith, I've been having a little bit of a hard time balancing the workload of my full-time job with Love and Faith and then also YouTube, which is already a full-time job in itself. But not only that, I have 2 YouTube channels, so I'm just trying to balance everything, and it's been hard. So I've been away from this channel for several months now. I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been way too long. But I'm so excited to be filming a video for you guys. The top message and comment I got while I was away was, when are you gonna do more Bible studies? And you guys, I've missed doing Bible studies with you guys so much. So soon, very soon, I've already done my study, and so I'm just waiting to find some time to jump on camera and share it with you guys. Fingers crossed, if all goes well, it should be up next week. We're going to do Mark chapter 1, and I'm so excited. But first, for this video, I wanted to share an unboxing of the Artsa subscription box. You guys, this is my second unboxing I've done with them. I did an unboxing last year on their Nazareth box, and this one is the Golan Heights box. I'm so excited. If you've never heard of Artza box, I will leave my last video linked below. I think I called it Artza. I said it completely wrong, but it's the Artza box, and I'll leave my last video linked below. But it is a quarterly Christian subscription straight from the Holy Land. It is the coolest Christian subscription box that I have ever seen. They take you throughout different parts that you read about in the Bible, and all of the items in here are supporting local Israel small businesses. So I'm super excited. So I am going to open this box with you on camera. So here we go. Here is what it looks like. It has their little logo in there. It says Artsa, the Holy Land delivered. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. So, has these little cards here. So let's go through them. It's gonna show you some information about what's in here. So the first one, we have a recipe card. Look at how pretty this card is. Whoops. Look at how pretty this card is. So this is a recipe for, forgive me for mispronouncing this, but sumac roast chicken. So this is an Israel recipe. It looks good. I eat chicken now, so I think we're gonna have to try this. And then you have these postcards, which I think are just so beautiful. They're perfect for if you want to frame them. I've done that. And then, you can also send them out if you want to. So this is Mount Hermon. Oh man, that's beautiful. That's Mount Hermon. And then this one, Galma Fortress. And then it has some information on the back about these places. So cool. You really get to see and taste what it's like being there. Look at this Golan Heights. Absolutely beautiful. I would totally frame this. And then it has scripture here, Psalm 133. Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity. It is like the dew of Hermon, which falls on the mountains of Zion. For the Lord has commanded the blessing, life forevermore. That is amazing, and there's more pictures on the back. And it also has Learn Hebrew back here. So flower is, I'm gonna mess all these up, I'm sorry. Flower is Perach, spring is Avi, hike/trip is Tiyu, ancient is Atik, and cooking Bishul. I probably said all those wrong, I'm sorry. It says, we feel so lucky to share the blessing of the Golan Heights with you and have created an experience which allow you to taste the beauty of this place, learn its history, and meet and support its people. How cool is that? Now we come to the box. Let's open it, shall we? Ooh, is this a candle? Ooh, let's see. Is it a candle we get to smell? Golan Dew, scented soy wax candle. How cool. So Golan Dew, let's smell it. Oh man, that is so it's citrusy and floral all at the same time. Oh, that's so pretty. What are the notes in here? Does it say? It does not. It does not say, but this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it, but here is what it looks like. Amazing, right? So you get to smell You need to smell Golan Heights. It smells amazing. Ooh, we've got some tea. This is Shalva Tea, Israel Herbal Infusions, Golan Heights blend. How cool is this? It's lemongrass, rose, and lemon verbena, which is this yummiest smell ever. Profile, breezy, and uplifting. I love that. So they have directions on how to drink it hot or how to drink it cold. How cool is that? I'm so excited to try this. So far we've gotten to smell Golan Heights and now we get to taste Golan Heights. I'm so excited. What else is in here? This looks like more food. Chocolate! White chocolate squares with raw cacao nibs. Oh, baby. This is by D. Karina. I think we need to try some right now. Oh man, I have recently fallen in love with white chocolate. So let's try this right now on camera. Ooh, it looks like those Hershey's cookies and cream. Cute little square, right? Mmm. Oh, that's so good. And the cacao nibs add this really nice texture to the chocolate. It's so yummy. I can't wait to eat more of that. Oh, is this more food? Ooh, what is this? Look at this. This is natural spices, rose burak, sourced from their ancient origins. Oh, crushed sumac. Oh, actually, I think I read on there. Where's that recipe card? Sumac. So I need this to make this chicken. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, I want to smell this spice. And I'll try my best to describe what it's similar to. Oh, I can't open it. It smells good. It smells like a very subtle crushed red pepper. Like, it doesn't smell too spicy, but it kind of reminds me of like a crushed red pepper. I've never tried sumac before, so I'm really excited. There's still more in here, you guys. Okay, what is this? Okay. Is this like an art piece? What is this? Okay, there's a little card in here. Let me look at this first. It's in Hebrew, so I cannot read it. This is so cool. Emmanuel, he wrote his name on the back. Look at how beautiful this is. It's a little bent. Hold on, let me fix that. It's a little bit bent. There we go. Beautiful. And then he wrote his name on the back, Emmanuel. That's so cool. I love this. Where should I put this? I'm gonna keep it here in my office for sure. Oh, I'm gonna put it on my bookshelf. It's gonna be so cute back here. How cute is that? Well, I won't leave it right there, but I'll figure it out. That's beautiful. And it looks like there's one more thing in here. Oh my goodness, what is this? The Wise Virgin's Parable, clay oil lamp and filler set. Oh, Jesus period replica pottery. Shut up. It says educational and fully functional. I have to read this. It says, Jesus' parable of the wise virgins. Then the kingdom of heaven shall be likened to the 10 virgins who took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom. Now 5 of them were wise, and 5 were foolish. Those who were foolish took their lamps and took no oil with them. But the wise took oil in their vessels with their lamps. Matthew 4:25 verse 1. You guys, we did a Bible study on this. Do you guys remember me talking about this? This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm so excited to open it. And I'm so scared to break it. It says this set includes a replica clay oil lamp from Jesus' time, matching clay oil filler, and 2 cotton wicks, certificate of authenticity, and biblical presentation of the parable. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my goodness, there they are, there they are. Be wise and ready. Oh, this is so cool. I want to read all this, but not on camera, just because, like, look at how long it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is wild. This is the coolest thing ever. There's their oil. I don't know how this works, but like maybe something like that. And then it lights their wick. And then there's the 2 wicks in here. This is the coolest thing ever. There's something else in here. Wait a second. There's something else in this box. Whoa, what's this? Whoa. Whoa, 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 what is this? Is this a card game? Oh, there's little pieces in here. It looks like a puzzle. Oh, is this gonna teach you like Hebrew or something? Oh, this is like a game. I'm gonna have to look more into this because I don't know how this works yet, but like, how cool is this? I remember the last one coming with like a matching game too. So there's another little game in here. This is so cool. Like through this box, you really get to experience the culture of what it's like being in Golan Heights. This is, am I missing anything? This is so cool. I think I'm most excited about this. Like this is wild to me. Like I know it's just a replica, but it's like, this is the coolest thing ever. Oh man, you guys, that was just so fun to unbox with you guys. I am so excited about everything. Oh, and now we can look back at these little creator cards that they sent. First of all, did I even mention these are such like good high quality cards? I think these were the 4 that they included. So we have the artisan Meredith Rose Burak. Oh, and she included the sumac spice. And she says how to enjoy is using the Artza sumac chicken recipe. I think I do have to try that recipe. It sounds amazing. And then we have Ellie and Galit, and they included the Hebrew alphabet challenge. Oh, that's probably this wood thing. A Hebrew alphabet challenge. That's so cool. Okay, and then she says how to enjoy it with good friends and family. That is so awesome. And then we have David Ross. His item that he included was the Golan-inspired native tea, which I'm so excited to try. How to enjoy piping hot or ice cold. And then lastly, we have Karina Chepelinski. She included the Golan-inspired milk chocolate. It was so yummy. How to enjoy with a warm cup of coffee. I might do just that to finish that chocolate. It was so, so yummy. If you want to check out Artza box, you want to try it for yourself or just get more information on their website, I will have it linked below for you guys. It's artzabox.com. I highly recommend you guys check it out, especially if you're a Christian wanting to learn more about the culture of Israel, or if you are a history buff, if you just want to learn more about different cultures and different parts of the world. This is such a cool box to try out. So I hope you guys give it a try, and if you have tried Artza box before, let me know in the comments. What's your experience? What's your review? I want to hear all about it. Again, I'll have more information in the description box for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. And hopefully, if all goes well, I will see you guys back here next week with a Bible study. It feels so good to be back. Love you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Yesterday.